So Spoonflower is a custom print-on-demand e-commerce company that takes designs from thousands of independent artists and allows customers to shop through all of those designs and select them and print them on either fabric, wallpaper, or home decor, pillows, blankets, sheets, etc. As a growing company, we have a lot of growing pains that are typical for a company of our size. We were very manual, utilizing Excel, homegrown systems. We've now grown to utilize FutureView and their systems, to utilize Looker reporting as well as NetSuite accounting systems. And FutureView has done a great job of helping us reconcile that information. Each one tells a slightly different story, so we now understand it better, as well as helping us budget and forecast on a more regular cadence and understand the business, what happened in the past better, so we can predict the future better. 3 weeks after I was hired, and the pandemic hit and we were all forced to work from home. If FutureView wasn't in place, I likely would not have had a system set up at that time, nor had the comfort in the numbers that were being produced to the running of different scenarios in this uncertain time of what's going to happen with the business. But because it was in place, I was able to set myself and the business up to be ready for anything. We were able to very quickly set up multiple scenarios, from the sky is falling to, oh my gosh, this, the business is up significantly, to 3 or 4 different scenarios in between, and game plan for each of those so that no matter what happened, we would be prepared as a business. And so it enabled us to be extremely proactive rather than reactive at a critical time in the business. The version control that we're supplied with FutureView is incredibly important. Management views that as table stakes. They expect the finance team to have everything locked down. What I think most management teams don't understand is that it very rarely is, or isn't always the case. Reconciling all that information, ensuring that it's the proper version, all the math is working behind the scenes, is really difficult to ensure that it's correct and we're getting it right. With FutureView, I spend a lot less time worrying about that because I know the system is sound. Seeing what was before that implementation, it really would have taken me hiring at least 2 to 3 FP&A people, perhaps another accountant, to get the sort of information and detail that I'm getting through the FutureView system and platform. People inherently make mistakes. With the platform, I know that it's built correctly. I know that it's calculating correctly. So I don't need to go through that level of review. So I've saved a tremendous amount of time, both in finding people, in training, in review, and just overall comfort that I get. So what FutureView has allowed us to do is really gain more detailed insights into the business to allow us then to bubble it up to management, and enables management to make better overall decisions for the health of the business. So recently, Spoonflower was acquired by Shutterfly. I can't thank the FutureView team enough. Not only did the system help in preparing the forecasts and the analysis on the accounting side, and was incredibly helpful in enabling us to talk about the past and the future of our numbers, but the team was also phenomenal in taking a lot of the data from our in-house system that we had never sliced and diced in robust ways. The FutureView team was able to do that in a very quick fashion, draw incredible insights out of it, and work with our team to properly prepare those and ensure that they were presented in the best form possible and in an understandable, meaningful way.